today we're gonna play with makeup. I want to do kind of a simple for me, purple look. And I'm thinking of using the Norvina palette. I'm sure you saw what the look looks like at the beginning of this video. So we're just gonna hop in, start putting stuff on my face. Yeah, let's just get into it. If you are new, subscribe if you would like to. I would love to have you here. Of course, no pressure, but let's be friends if you want to. Why not? Okay, let's do this. Just me. I'm gonna go ahead and hydrate because I haven't yet. This is the Hello Hydration face cream from e.l.f. So we're just gonna pop this baby on my cheeks. How's life, guys? How's it going? How do? This is super hard to read, but this is the Pore Filling Primer from Revolution. I'm just gonna pop some on my cheeks. We are going to try a different foundation today. I've only tried this once, so I'm excited to try it again. This is the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Foundation. Mine is in Light Ivory, which I believe is the fairest shade. You guys, I'm like pretty sure. This video will actually be up after it happens, but I think I'm getting a spray tan on Monday. Today is Sunday, tomorrow. Ooh, because we each get a free one at school and I've never gotten a spray tan. It's gonna be weird. I don't know what this piece of hair is doing. So I'm just gonna blend this out. I remember this foundation oxidized a little bit last time, so hopefully, even though it's appearing, especially on the monitor, it looks a little fair. It's really close in person, but hopefully it'll oxidize and be just fine. I just remember that it did get darker, so bear with me, guys. Ooh, girl, that finish though. She dewy. Okay, it's already looking like it's matching better and it's already oxidizing. So that is good. I'm gonna keep piling it on down here on my breakout. I have a breakout right on my jawline. The amount of breakouts I've had in the last month is like the equivalent to the number I've had in the last year. I don't know if it's because I haven't had time to get all the skincare, like all the peels and microderms and all of the wonderful things I was doing to my skin last quarter and the quarter before. I have not had time to do it. Girl, if you guys watched the last video that I used this foundation in, I prefer it much more with the Shot Mizé sponge than I do with that microfiber Juno & Company sponge. This one is just such a full coverage. If you really want a full coverage, I would definitely pick up that Juno & Co sponge. I just like a more medium or like low full coverage personally. So I really liked it much more with one layer with this sponge. Ooh, look at that dew. Look at that dewy finish. All right, we are gonna go in with the Tarte Shape Tape. I know you're shocked, my ride or die. This is in Porcelain Beige. At the same time, we are going to prime our lids with the Cut Crease Canvas from Revolution. I know this is supposed to be just a cut crease tool, but I like using it all over the lid. I really like the smell of it. It's a weird scent, but I really like it. We're gonna use the Revolution Bacon Blot in Translucent. All right, loves, I'm gonna go do my brows. I have been loving the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in Blonde. So I'm going to pop off camera and do my brows and be right back. And today we're going to use the Revolution Iconic Lights and Contour Pro. She is super loved. I'm going to go in with this. I'm going to mix these two, I think. I'm going to be boring and use my favorite blush right now, which is Ravish. For highlight today, we're going to use the Revolution Pro Supreme Highlighter in Ice. I think I want to mix these two. So I'm going to take a tiny bit of the pink, a tiny bit of the gold. Okay, so we are going to use the Norvina palette today. It's been a while. She's beautiful. I want the color to be mostly this Soul shade. So I think I'm going to put a tiny bit of Intense. I might actually mix Intense and Base, these two, to get kind of a very subtle crease shade and then go in with the purple. We're going to start going in with Soul, starting in the crease and then bring it down to the lid. I'm going to bring it all the way to the inner corner. So I'm just taking that Soul shade on this little flat shadow brush and packing it on the outer corner and the inner corner, and then kind of bringing them together above the crease. All right, loves, we're gonna go back in with the Revolution Pro Supreme Highlight in Ice, and I think I'm gonna mix, let me see. I'm gonna start with this one, and maybe we'll add another one. So we're just gonna take the purpley shade and tap it on the lid in the center. Maybe I'll just stay with that. I think we'll just stay with that. I always get too extra, but we will put this shade on the inner corner, I think. I'm gonna spritz this little tiny brush and then go in with the center shade for my inner corner highlight. I'm gonna take the tiniest bit and put it right on the center of the lid, and I'm gonna tap it out. I always want to pretend I'm not gonna do a wing, but I think that I'm gonna have to do a wing because your girl loves a wing. Okay, I'm just gonna use my Physicians Formula Eye Booster pen in Ultra Black to do a quick wing. Quick wing. Is there such a thing? I think I'm gonna try these today. They look super dramatic though. Elidia? Elidia? I don't know. It was between these, and do I want to just put Jackie on? I kind of want a bold lash today. Kind of feeling a bold lash. Okay, I'm gonna pop on some mascara and these lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay. All right, loves, so this is what we are looking at. Those are some bold lashes. Bold lashes. Oh my goodness. I think today we're gonna use the Revolution Matte Featured. I really need to pick up some of the new nudes that they just put out. Super excited. This is one of them. Might be too peachy. We'll see. This one's not my favorite. Not really feeling this. Let me go investigate. I'm gonna go on top of that with Doll Parts from Jeffree Star. More of the pink I was kind of thinking. Okay. I don't remember this one being so bright of pink. I'm gonna take a little bit of Shape Tape and kind of dim it down a little bit. Oh my gosh, I look like a clown. Be right back. Okay, I am feeling like I don't like these lashes with this look. I think I might be able to keep the pink lip. I'm trying to not wear a nude because all I want to do is wear a nude every single day, and that's probably super boring to you guys. So I'm going to switch up my lashes. I think I'm going to pop on the Jackie lashes, which I should have gone with in the first place, but I think in my mind I just always think bold eyes, nude, and this would be fine. But I feel, I don't know. So I'm gonna switch up my lashes. Let's see if that helps. If not, we're just gonna have to wear a nude because I'm stubborn and I want to feel cute. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna pop these on, take these guys off. All right, loves, I am back. I've switched my lashes to the Jackie lashes, which I much prefer, but now my liner is a little intense. I just had so many issues, you guys. And I just decided to wipe off the lip because I was not feeling the bright pink lip. I'm sorry, guys. We're going with a nude. I just feel like it's gonna work. I don't know. It's just what I want to do, so I hope you guys understand. But I am going to use something other than Chauffeur because that's all I ever use. We are going to use my actual like current favorite, which is Natalie from BH Cosmetics. And then we're also going to top it with chocolate chip cookie dough from I Heart Revolution. The most, like, the best smelling thing ever. I just feel like the softness of this look got lost when I put on the pink lip, and like so many pinks pull too bright on me because I am so fair, and especially with like the super blonde hair right now. I think by putting on the nude, I'm gonna feel so much better. That's so stupid. So stupid, but I just felt like I just want to feel like myself. So I'm gonna put on a nude because sometimes you just need a nude. Now let's try the gloss and see how I feel about this. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, because I'm crazy and apparently I want to risk ruining this look more, I'm gonna do some faux freckles. I think I'm gonna try using this NYX brow gel. What are words? I think we're gonna call that good. Because if I try and fix anything else, I'm just gonna mess it up more. Because that's the day we are having, my loves. We are having the every time I try and fix anything, I just mess it up more. So we are going to end this look here. Oh, all right, love. So I think that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Sorry that I'm a mess today. I can't get myself together to film a makeup tutorial, like a simple makeup tutorial. I don't know what my issue is. Thank you guys so much if you bared with me. This was like a hot mess, and I can feel a cat hair right up in here. Got her. All right, okay. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know what type of look you want to see next. Hopefully I will be much less of a mess next time. I love you guys so much. I already said that. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye. Ooh, she is blonde, girl. She's blonde. I'm blonde. We're blonde. Wow. Let's do this. I always feel like I have so much spit in my mouth. Is it just me? Yes, queen. I almost dropped it. What's new? I look like a ghost in the monitor. Like a ghost. Way to go, Shannon. Whoo! Shan Pro highlight in what?